Welcome to PNG Facts YouTube channel. Today, we will look at how to transfer money through BSP Mobile Banking to other bank accounts. Before we proceed, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's start. Before you begin transferring funds, you must meet these requirements. You must have a BSP bank account. Your phone must be registered with BSP Mobile Phone Banking. Steps to transfer money to other BSP accounts. Step 1. Go to your mobile phone home screen. Step 2. Click on the call button to bring up the dialing pad. Step 3. Dial the BSP Mobile Phone Banking code, *131# and press the call button. Step 4. Enter your BSP Mobile Banking personal identification number and hit send. Step 5. Select option 2, transfer funds, by entering the word to and pressing send. Step 6. Under fund transfer, select other BSP accounts by entering the word to and pressing send. Step 7. If you have multiple accounts, select the account you want to transfer from by entering the corresponding number. For example, enter the word 1 and press send. Step 8. Under transfer to account, select new by entering the word 1 and pressing send. Step 9. Enter the recipient's account number and press send. Step 10. Enter the amount you want to send and press send. Step 11. Write a description such as for food and press send. Step 12. Confirm the transfer by entering the word 1 in the confirmation box and pressing send. The funds will now be sent to the nominated account. A confirmation text message from BSP will notify you that the transfer has been completed. Step 13. Click Cancel to exit the Notice dialog box. Please subscribe to this channel to receive updates on related videos.